Cat Country, Kenny Chesney, huh?
Yeah, good sight.
All right.
You're a winner!
You have to listen to me. Ready? Hold my hand. There we go. Ready? Come on.
This week at number 26.
We'll go again.
This old boy. Well, you could consider them an odd couple, but the same with Alan Jackson and Taylor Swift.
A winner? You just won tickets to Kenny Chesney.
I'm so excited!
I'll be the SOB.
I'm not gonna look. It's like roulette. We got this. Oh.
This is being recorded, so the lucky token. All right, Kat, do it for me, Kat. How do I put this right there?
Oh. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Oh. What are my chances this time around?
Hopefully good. We got a few left. Not many people left in line.
All right.
Here we go.
It's got to be here eventually.
Put it in right here.
Such as construction workers who develop bad backs, carpenters with shoulder or arm conditions, secretaries.
Yes, no, yes, no, no.
Here we go, my man again.
Okay,
Let's
now
go.
this is for the Metallica show at Bader Field.
Yeah.
This is for what?
Kenny Chesney.
Perfect.
Wow.
Petro, Matarazzo, Warrington, with offices in Northfield, Cherry Hill.